his tail at 10. Time for training, time to learn. Chewing shoes is not your turn. Chew a toy, not my lace, or you'll have a tie-knot place. A week went by, what do I see? No chewed up shoes, hooray for me.